Hey everybody, are you crazy about unboxings? Well then you found the right channel because we've got an unboxing today. And a completed and a WIP. Okay, completed and a WIP and an unboxing. Stay tuned, you're gonna love it.
Well, hello everybody. So I finally finished, and I shouldn't say finally because it really didn't take that long, but I have now finished Revealing Woman from Diamond Art Club, and I absolutely love it. The only issue I had was that when kitting up my colors, I switched to, so I thought I ran out of one. But I hadn't. I just switched symbols around. So I figured it out, fixed it, and I absolutely love it. So this is a Diamond Art Club 40 by 40 centimeter square drill. And it's called Revealing Woman. And this, excuse me, this is how much we have left over for drills. So plenty left over. And this was from, I believe, the clearance. So this is old stock. Very happy with it. And then as far as garbage drills, that's what I have. So not bad at all. Very happy with it. Had a little bit of static, but that's kind of typical. And if you haven't seen my videos before, I use the scent boosters. They're linked below in the description for keeping static away. I find it easier than the dryer sheets. But yeah, so there she is. You can see very nice and sparkly and ready to be framed. I'm thinking, now again, I'm not going to be framing it anytime real soon, eventually, but I was thinking of doing like a faux suede matte. Either something in the blue tones or possibly in those kind of maroon, well, even the green or gold. Maybe not the gold. I'm thinking a darker matte and a nice wide matte, maybe 2-3 inches wide, and then a nice gilded frame, thick frame, I'm thinking. But I absolutely love it. I would, now again, I'm not a review channel per se, so I don't give star ratings and all that. I basically just say whether or not I'd buy it for somebody as a gift. Absolutely. I would absolutely buy this for somebody and give it as a gift. Love it. So there we go. Finally done. And I have now started Cinderella, Diamond Art Club. I started that yesterday. So I'll give you a quick peek at that. Hold on, please. I start at the top left, like a book, so that my hand is never laying on the drill they're done. So I did this last night. Beautiful. This one is Diamond Art Club Cinderella, 42 by 59 centimeters. And it is a round drill. It does have AB diamonds in the one of the teal colors that's, I believe, in her dress. But very much enjoying this. So that's what I'm working on now. And let's see. Oh, that's right. I have an unboxing to do. I received a surprise gift from Rhonda. So let me grab that and show you what's going on with that. I received this the other day. It was a surprise, complete surprise, and we had so much going on that I wasn't able to open it. And I got a message from Rhonda, and she asked if I got any special, I don't remember how she phrased it, unexpected deliveries. Why, yes, I did. So I ended up opening it because I needed a little pick-me-up, and what better pick-me-up than Diamond Art Club, of course. So I did open it out of the shipping box at that point and thanked her because this is gorgeous. But this is the Cherry Blossom from Diamond Art Club. I don't know what that ticking noise is. It's really weird. Okay, and it is round diamond 62 by 50. It's a big one. So I have not taken it out of the cellophane. That is the strangest noise. Let me find out what's going on over there. The laundry room is on spin cycle, and apparently it vibrates the walls, and whatever's touching my walls is vibrating. Well, we're gonna live with it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But let's open this thing up and see, because this is so appreciated. Thank you so much, Rhonda. I really appreciate this. I was a little bummed this week. Okay, can't quite get her open. Let me grab some little something. However, as long as I'm opening this up and I have a second, I will let you know that we have, we've decided, ooh, jeez, my goodness. We've decided that, I think, you know, if you haven't already heard, we're selling the house, and we are looking for something to rent in the area, not necessarily the immediate area. We want to keep it within an hour of Jesse's college because he commutes, and he's already commuting an hour. So we're looking around. So yeah, we're looking for something that's going to work for us within an hour of like Northwest Tampa. So I just started looking online today. Haven't gotten very far, but yeah, we'll see what we can figure out. Because I work from home, though, you know, we need at least one extra room for an office where I can shut the door, because he also does a lot of business from home. So yeah, I don't know. We just started looking. All right. Look at those colors. Beautiful. Okay. All right.
Hey.
Hi. I'll be done in 5 minutes.
Well, you don't have to be. You can be up here doing this or whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
Say hi to everybody.
Oh, okay.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. All right. Isn't this pretty? Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Love it. Lots of teal. Love teal. And it has AB gems. Oh, look at all those. Lots of AB gems, it looks like. Okay. Yeah. You guys have seen that. Okay, crinkling. Where the heck? There it is. Those are gorgeous. I think Cinderella, the AB was 138. So these look to me like they're a little bit darker shade than the other ones were. Very pretty. Oh, here's more ABs. 127. Got 2 colors of AB. Let's see here. 38 colors in this one. And let's see here. 127 and 137. Where is 137 on this chart? That is so strange. Oh, there it is. Okay, so 2 ABs. I don't know if this is even necessary anymore, doing this kind of thing, because we all know, right? Okay, I can't make it focus here. There we go. Were there any concerns? Beautiful. Okay, enough of that. This is so pretty. Okay. Look at how pretty those colors are. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. Check out Rhonda's channel. I'm going to put a link card right there and a picture. Here's Rhonda's channel and her latest video. And I will also have her linked at the end of the video, so that you can check her out. She's just starting. I'm trying to convince her to do more videos, so why don't you all head on over to Rhonda's and convince her that we all want to see more of her videos. I did the inventory, and everything is here. So these are the colors, kind of sorted out, quantities of each, so you can see. Got a lot of this beautiful greenish, whatever, and the, I don't know, teals families, and a lot of dark green. But yeah, there's a lot of really pretty shades in this one. This is going to be so much fun to work on. Very colorful. But yeah, I just, like, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, you know I love teals and greens and purples and deep blues, and there's 2 bags of each color of the AB gems, so that's going to be gorgeous. But there you go. That's the full inventory. Everything's here, like we'd expect any less, right? Okay. I realized I never say it. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to see them right when they come out, hit the notification bell. Anyway, I've missed you guys. This is just a short one today. Still got a lot to do. We've got another realtor coming in half an hour to look at the house. And you know, all kinds of stuff going on. But we are staying strong as a family, and we're working things out to stay in Florida. and we're going to try and keep the business, sell the house, pay off some debt, keep the business, move into an apartment, try and grow the business and get back into a home that is ours. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But, what else? I think that's it for now. I'll come up with something else. I have no idea. I'm kind of, you know, frazzled because I've been cleaning. And our air conditioner doesn't seem to be working very well upstairs. It's nice and cool downstairs, but I'm covered in sweat upstairs. And I took a shower, and by the time I got out of the shower and dried off, I was covered in sweat again. I believe the thermostat said it was 87 upstairs. That's where I'm at. So, anyway, love you guys. See you on the next one. Don't know when it's going to be, but I'm doing good. Bye.
Thank you so much, Rhonda, for sending us this beautiful, beautiful painting. I don't even know how to tell you how happy it makes me. Anyway, stay tuned for just a couple more seconds and you can check out Rhonda's channel, subscribe to her, and see her next video, as well as, you know, what you missed recently on this channel. Talk to y'all soon.